Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Every student entering higher education in India must submit an anti-ragging affidavit. This crucial document isn't just paperwork. It's a legal declaration committing you and your parents to uphold a zero-tolerance policy against ragging. It plays a vital role in fostering a secure and respectful campus atmosphere for all students, ensuring a positive start to your academic journey. There are essentially two straightforward ways to secure your anti-ragging affidavit. You can choose the modern, time-saving online approach, which many students prefer for its convenience. Alternatively, if you prefer, visiting a local notary public is also a perfectly valid and traditional option. Both methods ultimately provide the same legally binding document, so pick the one that best suits your needs. The online generation process is designed for simplicity, guiding you through a few easy steps. First, visit the designated government website, then carefully fill out the student-specific form with all your details. Following that, your parent or guardian will complete their separate form. Once both are submitted, you can immediately download the ready-to-print affidavit, saving you significant time and effort. To ensure a smooth and quick affidavit generation, gather all necessary information beforehand. You'll need your full name, the specific course you are enrolling in, and the name of your institution. Your current residential address and a valid mobile number are also essential. Furthermore, your parent or guardian must provide their complete details, including their name, address, and active contact number. Once your affidavits are generated, remember to print both copies, one for you and one for your parent, and ensure they are properly signed. The final step is to submit these signed documents directly to your college or university administration. Submitting them promptly not only finalizes your admission, but also actively contributes to maintaining a safe and respectful learning environment for everyone, which is truly invaluable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.